How to turn off sound effect on Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To turn off your sound effects on Duolingo, firstly launch your application in your device. Now firstly, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see an interface like this. To turn off the sound effect on your Duolingo, you need to go ahead and click on the persona icon that is at the center of the dashboard. From here, in the top right corner, you will see a setting gear option. Click on it. Under Account, select on Preferences. Here in the first option, you will see Sound Effect. You just need to go ahead and give it a tap to toggle it off. After which you'll be able to turn off the sound effect on Duolingo. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you can check out this next step. Head back from your Duolingo application. Press and hold on to it and head to App Info. Tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will help you to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem of not letting you turn off the sound effect. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.